Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this error on vMix anytime you're trying to load it up. So the error says access to path video.txt is denied. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix this in this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video and do not miss any part in order for you to get how to do this perfectly. So let's get into the video, guys. So firstly, you have to close your vMix up. Sorry, it should close by itself shortly. Okay, then you go to your file explorer and under there you go to this PC. So under this PC you go to local disk and you go to program data. Note this program data is not going to show on your desktop because it's an hidden folder. You just have to come to view. Sorry, this you just have to come to options. Then on option you come to view and change it from don't show hidden file to show hidden files. Then click on OK. So you click on program data. Then on program data you look for the folder with vMix. So you just have to look for the folder and click on it. So once you've seen it, you see the file, the text file that was named video one. So you just have to copy this text file, create a new folder in here if possible. Create a new folder in here. Then in that new folder I'll paste the video file there. So once you've pasted it here, you just have to right click on it and rename it. So you just rename it from video one to just video. Then you copy it again. Then you come back to the file where you copied it from initially and delete it from there and paste the new text file there. So once you do this, you should have vMix running on your desktop. So let me try running my vMix. So as you can now see, guys, I now have vMix opened and I can do anything I want to do. And let me try adding an input. So as you can see now, guys, I can add an input to my vMix and I can do anything. It is running perfectly with no error. So that's just how you can do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.